Welcome to the Chalk and Wire tutorial. Open up a browser, type in chalkandwire.com/Viterbo. You will then need to log in with your username and password. Click OK when done. You will then be taken to your profile screen where you need to click ePortfolio 2. Then click on Add New Portfolio. You will then select the Viterbo ECE Licensure Program from the table of contents, and you can go through the many themes that are available. When you find one that you want to try, you just click the bullet next to the name, scroll down, and click OK. Next, you'll be taken then to the portfolio with the table of contents. You will notice it says you have not yet added anything to the page. To change this, click Add Content at the bottom of the screen. Then you can select Yes to use the Advanced Editor feature. If you don't want that to show again, check Do Not Show This Again. You're then taken to the Add Content page where you can add a header. You can also then add text to the page by typing in the text box, just as this example is showing. If you wish to not have any text appear at all you do is click in the text box, hit your spacebar one time. That'll just add a blank space, and it will remove that you have not yet added anything to this page from the screen. There's also some formatting options for you. You can highlight certain words and bold them, italicize them, underline them. You can change your alignment from left align, center align, right align, or justified. You can also change, add smileys if you wish. Being a professional portfolio, you may not want to do that very often, if at all. You can then change the color of the text. And if you scroll down, you see that there's a video and audio section where you can upload files. You can check your spelling to make sure everything is accurate. And then you also have an image section where you can choose a file to upload. Once you have chosen your file, just click Upload, and then it'll take you back to the top of the screen once it's uploaded. You can then choose to left, center, or right align it. And the same thing with your artifacts. These are for documents like Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Choose your file, upload it. Again, it refreshes back to the front of the screen. You'll notice there's a check mark in front of the file you just uploaded. That means it is putting it on the page. Then just click OK, and it'll take you back to your portfolio. And everything will then load that you just did on the Add Content screen. Next, if you go into one of the standards, it has listed in there Artifact 1, Artifact 2. Again, you see you have not yet added anything to this page, so just click Add Content at the bottom of the screen. And again, you can either add content. Usually on the main page of a standard, you're going to want to describe the standard for your viewer. That way, if they're not familiar with the standards you are studying in your program, they have a better understanding of them as they look at your artifacts. You do not always have to put a heading on the page, since there are the table of content titles at the top. And then always click OK at the bottom of your screen to move on and save the changes that you've made. Every time you click OK, it's going to take you back to the page that you were working on in your portfolio. When you're ready to insert an artifact, click on Artifact 1 or Artifact 2. Then go down to the Add Content button. And this is going to be the same for every page, every artifact. Add whatever text, whatever images, artifacts, click OK. Now, if you want to make a change to something, you go on the page and click on the Edit pencil at the top of this picture or text where it's located. Once you're in there, you can change your images by clicking on the drop down box and choosing no image, or you can change it. Same thing with your artifacts. You can uncheck an item to remove it. Now, if you want to submit your assessment, you're going to click Submit Assessment at the bottom of the screen and then say yes to submit the entire thing. You're then taken to a page that shows all assessors. You choose the ones that you're assigned, click OK, and then you get a screen showing that everything has been submitted. The next is sharing. You can share your portfolio with a group, an individual, or by a secure URL. And I recommend the secure URL because then it only goes to those you're giving it to. You click OK. You're given the URL. You type in an email address for it to go to. I recommend using your own. That way you can forward it to whoever you want to view it.